Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your Google Photos to your laptop. It's really simple and easy. First of all, this is my Google Photos account and I have some photos right here. So I'm just going to download all of them. So for that, just click on the profile icon and simply tap on this manage your Google account, or you can directly come to your manage Google account page. Right here, click on data and privacy. Scroll down, then you will find the option for app and services. Just click on this little arrow. You will find the option here Google Photos. As you can see, it is in other Google services. Click on this download button right here, and this is the Google takeout page where we can download all of our photos. Just click on this continue, and you can see these two options. First one is for export once and second one is export every 2 months for 1 year. I personally use the first one, which is export once. Select that. We have two options, but we are going to select zip here, and then file size. You can just read this note, which is exports larger than this size will be split into multiple files. So you just need to select that limit. I am going for 2 GB. Now once you do that, just click on create export, and as you can see, Google is creating a copy of data from Google Photos, and this process can take a long time, possibly hours or days depending on your photos size. So you will receive an email when your export is done. Once your export is done, go to manage export and you will find here the file you exported. You will see the date right here. So once you are sure about that, click on download. Just submit the password of your account, click on next, and you will see the download started automatically. Once your download is done, just go to your folder. It will be in your download folder. Just open the file. You can extract that folder and then you can copy these photos or data in whatever folder you want. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to transfer Google Photos to laptop. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.